Imagine a food that not only tastes great but also helps you shed those extra pounds. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover the secret power of curd in your weight loss journey. Curd is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with probiotics, calcium, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. But how does it help you lose weight? First, curd is high in protein, which keeps you full for longer and reduces hunger pangs. This means fewer calories consumed and less overeating. It's also low in calories, making it an ideal snack or meal component that satisfies your hunger without adding extra calories. The probiotics in curd boost your metabolism by supporting a healthy gut microbiome, enhancing digestion, and improving nutrient absorption. Curd can even help reduce belly fat. The calcium and probiotics in curd encourage fat burning, especially in the abdominal area. Proper digestion is key to weight loss, and curd's probiotics promote healthy gut flora, ensuring efficient nutrient absorption and regular bowel movements. Curd helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing insulin spikes and reducing sugar cravings, making it easier to control your diet. The protein and healthy fats in curd curb unhealthy cravings, helping you stick to a calorie-controlled diet without feeling deprived. Incorporate curd into your diet today and watch as it boosts your weight loss journey. Remember, always consult a specialist for personalized advice. Stay healthy, stay fit,